Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and today I'm actually really excited because I get to kind of show you guys a passion project that I've been working on for months and will probably be working on for many months in the future as well. But I've been working on something called Studio Blocks. Studio Blocks is a library of fully responsive Wix Studio sections that allow you to build full websites in minutes instead of hours, days, or weeks, depending on your experience level. So if you're a designer who's trying to build client websites and speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality, or maybe you're a new small business who wants a really quality website up fast without breaking the bank, then this is literally the perfect tool for you all. Here's how it works. Inside of the Studio Blocks template, I'm going to find a section that I would like to use. I'm going to grab the section from the layer panel here. I'm going to copy it. Then we're going to move on over to our new website. And we're just going to paste in the section just like that. Now you're going to want to do that for all sections from the header all the way down to the footer. Then all you have to do, change out the fonts, change out the colors, and add content with a few tweaks. In just a couple minutes, you have a fully responsive Wix Studio website built in a fraction of the time. This page that you're looking at literally took me about 5 minutes to build and maybe 5 to 10 minutes to add content. If I were to build this from scratch, even as an experienced Wix Studio designer, this probably would have taken me an hour or maybe even a little longer. So just by using Studio Blocks, this saved me a ton of time, especially if you're considering all the other pages that might be on this website. Now, volume 1 of Studio Blocks is currently available for pre-sale. This means the product is not quite finished and it's still in production. Right now, if you become an early adopter and you decide to purchase it, not only is it discounted, but you'll get to download the version of the template that is currently available. As of right now, there is 60 sections inside of it, but I will say at launch, I'm aiming to have like 200 sections. In addition, if you do want to become an early adopter and support my passion project a little early, then as a thank you for being patient for the launch, I'm also going to throw in a bonus 20 sections for anyone that decides to purchase the pre-sale. Now, if you do want to buy the pre-sale, there are a few options. One, which is standard, and it's just the template. But if you want to spend a little bit more for a lot more value, then the pro version comes with a Notion database, which allows you to either look for the sections in gallery view, or if you are looking for a specific section, let's say one with like statistics, then you could try to find one right here. And if you like this section, then you will know that it is called content number 10, which means here in the template, if you go down to the content page and look for content number 10, you will very easily be able to find the section that you're wanting to use. Additionally, in the Notion database, some sections have code. So if you want to open it up, you can easily download the code. And even though it's not shown here, what I'm also doing with the Notion database is I'm also creating a tutorial for every single section that I'm making, and it's going to be included here in the Notion database. So if you want to learn how I build every single section, then there's going to be a tutorial here as well for every section. But that's going to take a little time. So if you'd like to support Studio Blocks a little early and download the current pre-sale version of the template, then the link is going to be in the description. Again, for anyone that is interested in supporting it, I just really appreciate it. Again, this is something that I'm really passionate about, and I hope you guys like this as much as I hope you guys do. Even if you don't buy it for yourself, I hope you can see the value and benefit that this can bring to some people, and kind of even just support it from afar, even if you don't buy it for yourself. But again, thank you all again, and I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing all the different types of websites that you're able to build using Studio Blocks. Thank you all for your time, and I will see you on the next one.